This is Car Back Catalogue. Today, the 2026 Genesis G70. And this might just be the last one of its kind. The 2026 Genesis G70 is still riding on a platform that first launched in 2017. Nearly a decade on, it's been sharpened and refined, but the fundamentals haven't changed. Up front sits a 3.3 litre twin-turbo V6 producing 365 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque. An 8-speed automatic sends that power to the rear wheels as standard, with all-wheel drive optional. It rides on staggered 19-inch wheels, grips with Brembo brakes, and in rear drive form gets a proper multi-plate limited slip differential. And in 2026, Genesis is still updating it. Which raises the question, is this the last true petrol-powered G70? When the G70 arrived, Genesis had something to prove. They weren't taken seriously in compact luxury sports sedans, so they built it properly. Rear-wheel drive architecture, 111.6-inch wheelbase, long hood, tight proportions, a 0.29 drag coefficient. It wasn't reinventing the formula, it was refining it. Then came the redesign. The crest grille dropped lower, the quad lamps widened. The car grew into the Genesis athletic elegance identity. Inside, it stayed driver first. A 10.25-inch infotainment display, available 15-speaker Lexicon audio pushing 660 watts, head-up display in the 3.3T, heated and ventilated seats, real aluminium trim. This stopped being a value alternative. It became credible. The numbers matter, but the delivery matters more. That twin-turbo V6 makes peak torque from just 1300 RPM. You don't wait for it, it's just there. The 8-speed automatic is quick, rev matching is built in, Sport Plus tightens the throttle, steering and suspension instantly. Rear-wheel drive is standard, and if you stay rear-wheel drive, you get a multi-plate limited slip differential, which changes how the car rotates through a corner. Steering is quick, just 2.3 turns lock to lock. Grip comes from a staggered 225 front, 255 rear tyre setup. Braking, 4-piston Brembos up front, red calipers on the 3.3T. Even the variable exhaust changes character between Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. It feels mechanical, balanced, direct. Compact luxury sedans like this one aren't multiplying. They're thinning out. Genesis hasn't confirmed a second generation. No hybrid announced, no electric replacement revealed. No clear roadmap. And the industry is moving fast. SUVs dominate the charts. Electrification isn't coming, it's here. Efficiency targets are tightening. Meanwhile, this car runs a 3.3 litre twin-turbo V6, returning 17 city and 25 highway in rear-wheel drive form. That's not a flaw, that's character. But it's exactly the kind of drivetrain manufacturers are stepping away from. This platform dates back to 2017. In today's cycle, that's long. Late life cycle updates, dark trim packages, small refinements. Sometimes that signals reinvention. Sometimes it signals a curtain call, because the 3.3T V6 is the heart of this car. Rear drive, mechanical grip, focused proportions. It wasn't designed to chase trends. It was designed to reward the driver. And once a compact, petrol-powered, rear-drive sports sedan disappears, it rarely comes back the same way. The G70 represents something increasingly rare, a compact luxury sedan that prioritises balance over height, mass, or trend. It's focused. And focus is becoming uncommon. Okay, that's the 2026 Genesis G70. And if this really is the last of its kind, we're here for it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.